The best AI model this week is free, it's Chinese, and it just beat Claude, and your chip factory still can't use it. Not because it's Chinese, because of what you'd hand over. Stick around. By the end, the one move to use any AI without leaking your crown jewels. Kimi K3, GLM 5.2, DeepSeek now match the frontier. But open weights means the one thing a fab cares about more than any score. You run them behind your firewall. Why does that matter? Ask Samsung. In 2023, their engineers pasted secret chip code into ChatGPT. It left the building. They banned it overnight. Your recipes and set points are some of the most valuable IP on earth. Hand that to a cloud you don't own, and your process lives on someone else's servers. So this was never a benchmark race. It's why the most secretive factories can finally run frontier AI they own. The catch? This bigger model needs 6 figures of GPU iron. So most run a smaller open one, but it's theirs. Nothing leaves. So ask the one question that matters. Can you run it behind your own firewall? If not, it's a demo, not a tool. Want signal, not hype? Follow. Now, your FabSpeak tip of the week. Stop pasting your secrets into AI. Redact them first, automatically. Save this reusable prompt. Act as a trade secret redactor. Rewrite my text so my question survives, but every proprietary specific R recipe names, set points, tool and lot IDs, customer and part names becomes a placeholder and list what you redacted. Paste your shift note or error log, get back a safe version. I ran it on a shift note with a real recipe name and set point. It caught all 12 specifics and still left a question the model could answer. Save it as a team snippet and nobody has a Samsung moment. That's FabSpeak. Pass the AI headlines to what lands on the factory floor. Follow for the next signal.